Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video. Now this has been a long time since I've said that. Because if you didn't know, I was away for the last 3 hours. I was in 3 weeks pretty much. I was in Florida. So if you haven't seen my video of NASA's Kennedy Space Center, go check it out because I was actually there. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. But yeah, I am finally back now and back making videos. So yeah, I didn't make one the day I got back, which was yesterday. So I was pretty tired after an 8-hour flight pretty much. But now I'm back and we are going to be making a whole solar system out of red objects. So if you don't know, this is the video, well, it's basically like a part 2 to the first one I made, making the solar system out of blue objects, and that's pretty much the solar system we're in right now. So as you can see, if you haven't seen that video, I recommend you check it out because a lot of people really enjoyed it actually. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. So yeah, there's the blue system. So now we're going to make a whole solar system out of red objects. And also guys, I got tons of videos planned because a lot of people commented some good ideas while I was away, and I literally just thought of some as well. So yeah, keep up there. I'll keep what's the word? I don't even know. Keep damn, I'm crap with words. Yeah, keep checking out my videos, I guess. I don't know. Stay tuned. That's it. Stay tuned. So yeah, we're gonna go to a whole new simulation now. And actually, what I'm thinking about as well, guys, we are so close to the 900 subs now. So just many thanks to everyone who subscribed while I was away. Because if you didn't know, all the previous ones were pre-recorded. I did make them before I went away. So yeah, many thanks to everyone who has subscribed recently. You're awesome. Alright, so how are we going to start this? I think I'm going to use the red giant sun, since it is pretty much a red object. So yeah, I think we'll put that in the center of the solar system here. So we've got a very red monstrous looking sun here. So it's the massive one sun and an absolutely enormous radius. So as you can see there, pretty monstrous. But now, could try this star here. That's these are my custom objects. It's weird playing this again. I've not played this in ages. So red stars. Okay. Okay, let's use actually Antares. I know this is a red supergiant in real life, so we can try that. So let's put it in a binary. Okay, can't even go in a binary orbit. Okay, so let's put it about. Let's go about 100 AU away. So let's go right about there. So we've got this massive star. So yeah, if you want to know how this one's red, I just lowered its temperature to make it look a little more red. But yeah, this is what a red star's real temperature would be like. So they're pretty cold compared to like other stars. So this has got a massive 12 suns. We're going to make the sun orbit around this star here. So there we are, Antares. So, yeah, this is quite a large star. Comparing it to UI Scuti here, which is the largest. Yeah, it's a pretty decent size. So yeah, we're gonna have some fun with this. So. Yeah, also guys, just many thanks for all the positive comments I got recently as well. Like I said, much appreciated. You guys are awesome. So, is this orbiting or not? Is it even moving? Like, seriously, is it? Okay, now it's moving. Alright, so there we are. So, making a red planet. That's going to be pretty interesting to do. So, alright, because remember, that one isn't red if you're thinking about it. So, red planet. Okay, I know what to do. So, I'm going to quickly save this and just call it red system, because I have a template for a red planet in another simulation. So let's call it red system. Yeah, so I've still got my blue solar system saved if you want me to do any videos of that. Someone said I should collide the normal solar system with it. Can give that a go. Yeah, there's a blue one there. So red's here somewhere. Alright, so I want to go to, where's it, planet colors. Yeah, here we go. So as you can see here, I got a ton of different colors of planets which I used to template. So I want to use the red one today. So as you can see, it's got a red surface and it has a red atmosphere. So if we remove it and re-add it, you can see that is a red atmosphere. So what we're going to do is, we're going to save this, just leave it red. Yeah, so now we're going to go. Actually, we could use the pinkish one as well, because thinking about it, pink I would say is a shade of red. Like it sort of matches up. Like obviously it's white and red make pink. So yeah, we can use that as well. So there's that. We could. Oh yeah, this was Mars originally. This actually. So. Yeah, this was a Mars, and then I changed it. So, yeah, Mars is a red planet, or we know it as a red planet, so we can give it, or we can use its template in this. So, now we're going to go back to our red solar system. So, where is it? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Right, so now we are here. So now we're going to start adding red objects. So, red gas giants, I don't know how I'm going to add those in because I don't have any red ones. The closest I have are orange, so we may have to use those because that's the closest we can do. So, okay, where are they? So there's our red planet. We can make tons of different objects out of this, so that's pretty good. So let's put one about 9 AU from the sun. So we could be able to colonize this. So we've got our red planet now. So I don't know what to call it, so I'll just leave it named red for now. So completely red. So let's actually slow this down so we can keep an eye on how it's doing. So now we hit play. Okay, so it's warming up pretty hot now. So what we want to do is we're going to increase how much light it reflects. It already have an atmosphere, so we're going to give it an atmosphere of just 1 Earth, just to stay simple. Okay, so just 1 Earth. Okay, there we are. How's this day and night? Okay, 58 days. Okay, let's make it about 0.9 days. So 0.9 days. So 21 hours daytime. So that's pretty good. So its day and night system is going to get pretty weird around this this star system as well. So that's going to be interesting. All right, so now I'm going to try and begin to add water to it and actually cool it down. Let's reset it to 0 just to see if it goes hot. Okay, still too hot, so we're going to increase the atmosphere a little more, or albedo I should say, just to make it reflect less. Decrease the infrared efficiency. Oh, still pretty too hot. Okay, so let's decrease the ATM to 0.5 of Earth. Right, now it should cool down. Come on, cool down a bit more. We need it below 100 degrees. Okay, 0.3 ATM. Yeah, also guys, I'm a little out of character. I'm sorry, but I have been away, so I'm not really used to doing this right now. So, yeah, there's that. I'll get back into it though, so it's all good. Yeah, but there may not be so many videos as usual. So obviously when I was on holiday, there wasn't many videos out because I didn't record too many. But yeah, it won't be as bad as that. But there won't be too many videos. Probably like 3 videos or 4 videos a week max. I don't know. Alright, so yeah, 33 degrees, so now we can begin to add water to this glorious red planet, so they're looking good. And actually, speaking of it, we can just add Mars in, because Mars is known as the red planet, and it pretty much is a reddy pink colour, so yeah, we can add Mars in here, so that'd be pretty good. Okay, so let's slow this down. So how's our red planet looking? Okay, we need a little more land than that, so looking good. Okay, there it is, so red planet, red land, red atmosphere, red cloud, so yeah, pretty cool stuff there. And actually one thing a guy told me about in the comments was if you rename a planet Earth or like that, you get white clouds. So I've actually known about this for a long time because it actually works with Venus as well. So you get a capital Venus like that, you get a dark sort of cloud template. If you try it with Mars, you also get a pinkish sort of colour, so like that. I'll probably make a video on it. And then it works with Titan as well, since that has a custom colour I think, so yeah, you can't really see it there. Yeah, I'll probably do a video on it and just how to get different clouds. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. But yeah, if you call it Earth, you get normal white clouds, which is pretty cool there. So yeah, we won't be doing that on this. So we're just going to keep it named as red. There we go, get our red clouds back. So there we are, looking good. It'd be cool if we could get the colour red. We can add Sedna in here as well, since that is red. So let's get my custom Sedna out, and we'll put Sedna. Should we put it closer? Or should we put it far away? Okay, I'm going to put it closer around Antares here, so... Or Antares, I think you say it. Let's put it about... I don't know... That distance, 11 AU, I think that was. Hopefully it won't get burned alive, so... Okay, it's warming up. Ah, dang it, it is smoking a bit. Well, there we go. It's very dark here, actually. Look how dark it is. It's pretty interesting. It's very dark and, yeah, I don't know why it's so dark. We'll change that colour to red. Okay, that doesn't do anything. Yeah, I don't know why it's so dark here. It's quite a decent distance away. These stars are definitely luminous. Yeah, 66,000 suns in luminosity. That's pretty deadly, I should say. So, yeah, looking good. But it's very hot here, actually. Okay, wait. Alright. Wait, made of high. Alright, I don't want to mess with the star. What am I doing? The object, the planet. Okay, I don't know why it's so red. It should be a lighter red than that. Oh, interesting. Alright, anyways, let's just leave it. So. Hang on, what if I just reset it to 0 quick? Does that fix it? Oh, interesting. I don't know why it's dark red. It shouldn't be like that. Alright, so there we go. It's still a nice red colour. It's glowing hot now. So there we go. There's Sedna. Let's also get Mars in here. So let's get Mars. Yeah, we'll put that around. Let's put it around the red giant sun. We'll put it up there. Maybe that should be good. So there we are. But one thing I want to know is, I wouldn't mind getting a red custom gas giant. That'd be interesting. Yeah, there we go. There's Mars. So a nice reddish colour there. Looking good. Right, so now let's make it reflect a little more light. Hey, can we put the climate mode on? Oh yeah, we can. Alright, cool. So we should be able to get some north and south poles in here, which is pretty awesome. Alright, so yeah, there we go. Now let's add a bit of water in. Just to... yeah, we'll have a colonised Mars as well, so... Actually, let's have 2 types of Mars. We'll call it Mars and then water. There we go. So the clouds are probably a slightly different colour now. You can't really notice it here, but they should be. So we've got a watery Mars now. So So there we go, looking good. I like how Mars looks when it's colonised. I think it looks really cool without the water and stuff. So yeah, we'll leave it about like that. So you can see the volcanoes there. There's Olympus Mons, I think. That's the largest volcano in the solar system, actually. Pretty interesting fact if you didn't know. But is the climate going to work? Huh. So is it going to work? I don't really... Yeah, this feature's a little buggy if you ask me. Yeah, it just messes up. So let's keep the albedo higher up than that. And it should cool down. Then we've got our pretty... water back, so there we are, looking good. So that's yeah, there we go. Actually no, a little more. Okay, that's too much. What am I doing? Alright, so like that, and yeah, looking good. I like that. So we've got our water Mars, so a nice bluish looking one. 80 degrees, actually a little too hot, so let's decrease the surface pressure a little bit, increase the albedo slightly. Now it should decrease in temperature a little more. Okay, 80 degrees, just have to wait for it to come down. Like that. Alright, come on, go a little faster, please. Alright, just increase it a bit more. Yeah, at 40 degrees, that works for me. So more of a hot Mars in the cold Mars now, so looking good. And now we'll have a cold or just a regular Mars. We'll have it playing the same like role as Mercury normally does. So we'll put it close to the sun, so it's just be a hot rock pretty much. So there we are. It's gonna be pretty hot and burning there. Okay, Sedna, let's just make you a little bit bigger so you don't keep on smoking or losing material, because it does get annoying. Okay, still losing material. Seriously, Sedna, what are you doing? Okay, I don't know, 4,000. Is that going to fix it? Okay, is it going to go? Come on, go away, particles. I don't want you here. Go away. Oh, come on, really? Fine, we'll get a new Sedna. Alright, so Sedna, there we are. Let's put you around the Antares there, about similar distance. They will make your size a little bigger. So let's actually have a really big Sedna. Let's have a 50,000 kilometer Sedna. So we've got a humongous rocky planet here, Sedna. So let's go in here. Let's have a good look. Okay, there we go. So now it shouldn't be heat or losing material anymore, since it is a pretty large, very dangerous planet. Yeah, there we go. Look, it's pretty dark actually. I don't know why it's like that. Because as you can see, both of the reds I gave it are decently bright. So I don't know why it's doing that. But yeah, I like it like that. So looking good. Okay, Mars with the water on it. Okay, you're doing fine. We've got the hot Mars here, so the regular one. Then we've also got the red planet, or just red, at 38 degrees. So far we're getting a decent looking system here. This Mars with the water is going to have a very strange orbit actually. Hang on, we don't want that. What am I doing? Right, we need to put it around that sun again. It's kind of messed up. It wasn't meant to orbit the other star, so let's leave it like that. Okay, let's see how it's... Was it temperature going to change at all? I didn't know the other star would grab it. Dang it. Alright. 30 degrees. Let's just do a whole year on this Mars. This is a very weird system. Oh, wow. Oh, I just broke away, but I guess it can work like that. I don't know. That's going to be interesting. Okay, we're going to actually need to move it closer to the sun, the red giant sun again. We need to put it a little closer, because obviously it keeps on escaping, so... Bit like that. So is it going to orbit now? Come on, behave. Okay, so how's that? Okay, 60. Okay, a little too warm, so we'll just decrease it a little more, or increase the albedo. All right, there we are. So yeah, pretty strange orbit, but it works. So slow down the years a bit. Okay, so 30 degrees, still warming up a little bit. Okay, that should be good. So we'll leave that to do that for now. So now, so let's try and add more stuff around here. So with gas giants, I don't know how I'm going to make this work. We could try and, we could just try and, yeah, because like you don't really get like gas giants that are all the same color anymore. We'll add a Proxima Centaurian just for fun though. So we'll add that in, add it in there maybe, just a extra little star. So a little red dwarf. Why not? Actually, we can add TRAPPIST-1 in as well. That's a nice little star. We'll have that far away though. So okay, there it is. So let's put it at a really far distance like that. Something crazy like that. That looks cool. So we've got our tiny little TRAPPIST-1 over there. Wait, 1B. What? I thought I set the star. TRAPPIST-1. Wait, there it is. There's TRAPPIST-1. Alright, so let's put you over there, and there you are. TRAPPIST-1. Alright, very cold star that as well. So yeah, that'll be like a little escape star almost. We've got Proxima here, Sedna, 2 Marses, and then the red planet. So what else we are going to do here is we're going to go back to our red object. Okay, there we go. So we're going to add a bunch more in just to increase the amount of objects. So we'll just put random sort of things here. Just make the simulation a little more interesting. Let's put a bunch closer to the star as well. Let's go a little more insane than we did last episode, because I don't have as many red objects as I do blue objects, so yeah, that's that sadly. So yeah, we've got a ton of red objects in orbit now, making this solar system a lot bigger. So what else can we add? I really want to add a gas giant, but the problem is we won't get it won't be red. So we can add, so if you want to add gas, we'll get some weird colour like this. See, even if it was just this reddy orange colour here, I'll take that as just to have it like that, because it'd be cool. But yeah, just it has a piece of red on it. That counts. That counts as a red planet in a red system. So yeah, we'll leave it like that. I don't like it like that, but there's not really much I can do. I can't get like a red version of my Planet 9 because that was an old version of the game where you could do that. But yeah, I could try. Actually, where is it? On here. Okay, not. Oh yeah, we'll put pink in as well. We haven't put one of those in. So yeah, as you can see, they're the same colour as Mars because they were based on Mars. So yeah, let's put them at some pretty crazy orbits there. Actually, I could try this one here, super gas. So a giant gas giant. Let's put it in. Let's put it in somewhere. So wait, where's? I'm getting lost now. All right. So let's put it there. And this gas giant is humongous. So yeah, this is sort of a reddish, yellowy orange colour, like a warm colour. Yeah, there you go. But that's probably the closest gas giant I have to red. So yeah, looking good. And what we'll do is we'll make it a little unique. We'll put it on its side like that. There we are. So you can see the red there. Looking very cool. So we've got, yeah, there's a red gas giant, or pretty much the closest I can get to red. So let's go to one of the pink objects now. We'll go colonize this. Is this orbit okay? That's the thing. Huh. Alright, so its orbit is... See, it could hit the other star. That's the problem. Okay, so we need to... Okay, red. Okay, let's use the pink all the way out here. That should be pretty interesting. So, as you can see, it already does have an atmosphere. Now what we are going to do is... Okay, yeah, actually, I need to change the atmosphere more, what am I saying? So, let's give it a little higher on there. So, let's make it the mass or the surface pressure of 2 Earths. So now it's 55 degrees. So we'll increase the albedo a bit just to decrease its temperature. So about 30 degrees, that works. It's about the temperature of what Florida was when I was there. A little hotter than that. It was getting up in near the 40s at some point, which is very, very hot for me, since I'm someone who's used to the cold, good old England. It's nice and cold, but yeah, that was a pretty nice trip actually. So yeah, there we are. So now if we hit play, that pink planet should be colonized. And it does look pretty red anyway when you give it the atmosphere and the water. So yeah, looking good. But as you can see, there are sort of pinky red colours there. We've got a bit of purple as well. So yeah, there's a pink planet colonized. So looking good. And actually what we'll do with some of these random objects is we'll go in the quick comparison mode here. We've got Antares, the red giant sun. Then we're going to have to go all the way down here to TRAPPIST-1, Proxima Centauri here. So there we go. There's super gas, the big red gas giant. And now what we're going to do is with these objects, we're going to make them slightly bigger just to make things a little more what's the word? Oh wow, a little more unique, I guess. So 7, 5, 3, 1, 4. I'm just pressing random numbers here. Okay, so let's give that one 10,034. just to make things a little more random. So like that. Just give it all random values to make it look good. So yeah, because it'd never be realistic if they're all the same size. Let's just go remove a bunch, actually. There's a little too many there for my liking. Okay, so we've got some very hot ones here, so these must be close to the star. Yeah, there they are. There's a bunch near the star there, so let's make this one a little bigger. Actually, a little smaller, actually, 3,000. Okay, there we are. Looking good. Actually, just to make the star look red as well, we can tamper with the star a bit. Make it 2,000. There you go, there's more of a reddish looking star. Actually, let's do 1,500. Yeah, that's red. That's definitely red, like the red giant sun over here. So yeah, looking good. Okay, let's increase the size of you a little more, like that. Alright, there we go. So now if we hit play, we've got plenty of red objects here. And like I said, I don't really have too many red objects saved. So yeah, we can't really do too much. But yeah, I think that should keep you guys happy, I guess. So yeah, looking good. Let's also make one of these pink objects very large. Like that. There we go. A giant pink object there. Okay, a bit more red, so it will customize you a little bit more. Let's put you as a smaller size. There we go. And then one of the pink ones over here, we'll put that at a small size. So now if we go into the chart mode, yeah, we should have a little more unique objects. So let's go all the way down here. So as you can see, yeah, there's more variety in size here. So some are still the same size, but oh well. We can't always be different. But yeah, a lot of nice little rocky planets here. So look at that, that's a pretty cool. Maybe I'll use that as a thumbnail, I don't know, it looks pretty cool actually. So Yeah, I'll use that as a thumbnail. That is really cool, actually. Haven't done a thumbnail like this in a long time, but yeah, that looks pretty awesome. It's different than usual as well. Usually I just take like a screenshot of a nice scenery, but yeah, that looks like a cool thumbnail, actually. I'm going to save that as a screenshot. There we go. Looking good. Screenshot saved. There we go. I like that. That's a cool thumbnail. So, there we are. So, let's have a look. Alright, so now we'll just hit play just to check out everything's doing okay. And there we go. Got our second star over there. We've got TRAPPIST-1 all the way out here. So some of the orbits are going pretty crazy, as you can see, but all of the ones in the inner area look okay. So, yeah, Mars with water on it, still got its water. How's our original red doing? Yeah, that's got water on it. Our pink with water, I don't know where it is. Let's go find it. Okay, so, oh, there's a lot here. Yeah, that one. I think it's this one. Is that it? Is this one with water? It's a little too hot. I don't know which one it is. Red, Sedna, red, pink. This one? Is it that one there? Oh yeah, here it is. Is this it? Wait. No, that's not it. Where is it? Red with the water. Where? Oh, that's it. There, the pink with the water. There they go. All the way out here. So we've got our pink object there. That's still doing good. So yeah, this simulation does work. All the habitable planets are staying habitable, which is nice. So yeah, there we are, guys. So hopefully you all enjoyed this video. Make sure if you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a like and all that good stuff. Help us on the road to 900 subscribers, because that's going to be awesome. And also, I think I'm going to make what originally was going to be my 800 special. I may make that the 900 special. So I'm planning to make a big video on how the solar system formed. So I'm going to do that as a also, I'm probably going to do that as a 900 special, and then the 800 special, I'll probably find another idea to do, maybe like a part 3 for colonising all of the objects in the solar system or something like that, the moons or whatever it was, because yeah, that's one of my planned videos. So yeah, I may do that, but yeah, I'll probably keep you guys updated. So yeah, hopefully you guys all enjoy this video. Like I said, make sure you all have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video. And also, if you want me to do another episode on this, like making the solar system out of like different coloured planets, so I've already done blue objects, this is red. What other colours do you want me to do? And don't say green, because you can't have green stars. So, well, I could have green planets, I guess. So yeah, whatever you guys want. So yeah, make sure you leave a comment down below. But anyways, yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. 900 subs now. So just many thanks to everyone who subscribed while I was away. Because if you didn't know, all the previous ones were pre-recorded. I did make them before I went away. So yeah, many thanks to everyone who has subscribed recently. You're awesome. Alright, so how are we going to start this? I think I'm going to use the red giant sun, since it is pretty much a red object. So yeah, I think we'll put that in the centre of the solar system here. So we've got a very red monstrous looking sun here. So it's the mass of one sun and an absolutely enormous radius. So as you can see there, pretty monstrous. But now, could try this star here. That's these are my custom objects. It's really playing this again. I've not played this in ages. So red stars, okay. Also guys, just many thanks for all the positive comments I got recently as well. Like I said, much appreciated. You guys are awesome. So is this orbiting or not? Is it even moving? Like seriously, is it? Okay, now it's moving. Alright, so there we are. So making a red planet, that's going to be pretty interesting to do. So right, because remember that one isn't red if you're thinking about it. So red planet. Okay, I know what to do. So I'm going to quickly save this and just call it red system, because I have a template for a red planet in another simulation. So let's call it red system. Yeah, so I've still got my blue solar system saved if you want me to do any videos of that. Someone said I should collide the normal solar system with it. Can give that a go. Yeah, there's a blue one there, so red's here somewhere. Alright, so I want to go to, where's it, planet colours. Yeah, here we go. It's basically like a part 2 to the first one I made, making the solar system out of blue objects, and that's pretty much the solar system we're in right now. So as you can see, if you haven't seen that video, I recommend you check it out, because a lot of people really enjoyed it actually. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. So yeah, there's the blue system. So now we're going to make a whole solar system out of red objects. And also guys, I got tons of videos planned because a lot of people commented some good ideas while I was away, and I literally just thought of some as well. So yeah, keep up there. I'll keep what's the word? I don't even know. Keep damn, I'm crap with words. Yeah, keep checking out my videos, I guess. I don't know. Stay tuned, that's it, stay tuned. So yeah, we're going to go to a whole new simulation now. And actually, what I'm thinking about as well, guys, we are so close to the 9. Okay, let's use actually Antares. I know this is a red supergiant in real life, so we can try that. So let's put it in a binary. Okay, can't even go in a binary orbit. Okay, so let's put it about let's go about 100 AU away. So let's go right about there. So we've got this massive star. So yeah, if you want to know how this one's red, I just lowered its temperature to make it look a little more red. But yeah, this is what a red star's real temperature would be like. So they're pretty cold compared to like other stars. So this has got a massive 12 suns. We're going to make the sun orbit around this star here. So there we are, Antares. So, yeah, this is quite a large star. Comparing it to UI Scuti here, which is the largest. Yeah, it's a pretty decent size. So yeah, we're gonna have some fun with this. So. Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video. Now this has been a long time since I've said that, because if you didn't know, I was away for the last 3 hours. I was in 3 weeks pretty much. I was in Florida, so if you haven't seen my video of NASA's Kennedy Space Center, go check it out, because I was actually there. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. But yeah, I am finally back now and back making videos. So yeah, I didn't make one the day I got back, which was yesterday, so I was pretty tired after an 8-hour flight pretty much. But now I'm back and we are going to be making a whole solar system out of red objects. So if you don't know, this is the video